Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm going to show you our 6310, and this is one really cool truck. Runs and drives great. Come out of Montana, I believe. Custom tilt front end. Got a big block, automatic. Just an over-the-top restoration with all the chrome on it and stuff. See that paint? Look how that shines. Got a great quality. Got a few years on the restoration, so you're going to see a few imperfections. There's one on the hood. Not a lot, though. This is still a showable truck by all means. Like I said, beautiful color. Kind of a dark burgundy, black cherry. Maybe probably not even much of a scratch. I did notice this the other day. I'm down on the rocker. We got a couple little bubbles. Got factory seat in it, chrome tilt steering wheel, custom gauges, CD player, tack. So just a nice setup. Got the hard bed cover on it, custom tail lights put into it. Custom exhaust, custom bumper. Like I said, this truck is custom all the way. You won't find another one probably like it. And it's a short box step side, Frenched in antenna. Like I said, you know, you might find like there's a small little chip there. And just nothing over here really. Like I said, you can see the shine on it, see my legs. So just a great great look to it. B&M shifter. We'll also give you a video of it driving. Excuse me. So not a lot of imperfections. Does have air shocks on it also. Just a few chips here and there. There's another example. But not a lot of them. So like I said, you can still show this. Definitely a great show and shine truck that you'll be certainly proud of and get lots of compliments. It's got a rock chip right there. So if you're looking for a really cool little 60s short box, this one is definitely it. Wait till you take a listen and see it drive. Great driving truck. 605-695-7391.